Guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Adrit Gaming. Guys, you are watching Adrit Gaming, and this is your host Adrit. So, guys, today I've come up with another video. So, it is very interesting. So, before the video, I am announcing, as I told you in many other previous videos also, that please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If I get around 15 to 20 likes to this video I'm making, then I'm surely going to give a big huge giveaway. So guys, as I told you, once I get to 15 subscribers, I'll do one custom ticket and 1000 10,000 gold coins giveaway. And if you guys want any character, I'll buy the character and give you instead of money. So guys, okay, without wasting any time, let's head straight to our video. Okay, so let's head straight to our video. So our video today is about all weapon special attachments, right? So your first weapon would be AWM, or you can call it ARM, AWM or ARM. As you can see, guys, as you know, this is your AWM. So guys, this is your AWM. So this is your AWM. So for the AWM, your first attachment would be the attachment you can see here, AWM Armor Piercer. So guys, this one has AWM Armor Piercer and one doesn't. So the gun I am holding right now has. So guys, you can see here 300 damage. This also will give you 300 damage only. But guys, what is the use exactly is, what the use exactly is, like AWM Armor Piercer, as in the name only, the AWM Armor Piercer, you know, it increases, it, like if you have a vest level 4, so if you have a good vest level 3 or vest level 4, your Armor Piercer, a gun without Armor Piercer would give you, a gun without Armor Piercer would give you a little less damage, like it wouldn't give you, it will give something like 290 instead of 300 or something. But with an Armor Piercer would always give you, like Armor Piercer actually penetrates through the vests and increases the damage, does not decrease the damage even if the enemy has a good vest or helmet. So that is the use, it pierces into the armor of the enemy and then shoots, okay. So that was our first attachment, that is AWM Armor Piercer. Armor Piercer, as you can see down here, armor piercing shells great improved damage to armors. Like guys, as you can see, after you kill an enemy or if enemy shoots you, your your vest becomes damaged. For that you can use a repair kit that is also there. So this is the thing. Now let's go to our next weapon. Our next weapon is Kar 98. Our Kar 98 has a special attachment named Kar 98 Biometric Scope. This has a biometric scope, this doesn't have. So biometric scope is like, it, you know, it just sees around for the living organisms and it gets a target on the living organisms. So guys, suppose this is my target, the board, but if I have a armor piercer, even if I put it, even if I have biometric scope, even if I put it beside, it will directly go and hit the target. If it's not in case of boards, if it's an enemy, over here it will not happen, but in the case of enemy, even if I put it somewhere a little beside him, it will go and hit him only. But without armor piercer, that is not the way thing. So now you can see here Kar 98 Biometric Scope identifies living organisms and allowing better aiming on the Kar 98, right? So that's about Kar 98 Biometric Scope. Now our next weapon is MP5. MP5 has a special attachment called MP5 electrical booster. Electrical booster. So guys, yeah, let's see what is the use of an electric booster. Electric booster increases the rate of fire. Now see how many bullets I am able to shoot. See how fast the bullets are finishing. But in this case, it is little slow, right? That is the use of MP5 electrical booster. So yeah guys, this is our MP5 electrical booster. So it increases the rate of fire drastically. So you can shoot more bullets, right? You can shoot the bullets quickly actually, to say practically. So MP5 increases the rate of fire. So now our next gun is VSS. It is VSS. Where is VSS? Where is VSS? I hate searching guns actually. Yeah, here is our VSS. So only on one gun I will put a Ripper bullet. It's called as Ripper bullet. Okay, for VSS it is Ripper bullet. So guys, it's Ripper bullet. So actually it is not working over here. But actually if there are enemies, what it does to the enemies is Ripper bullet fired from the VSS. These bullets are enhanced to rip through the muscles and cause severe bleeding. So it rips through the muscles of the enemy and cause severe bleeding. And you know what is the use? Like crossbow. Many of you might know crossbow. Once you shoot the enemy, even if he goes under cover, the bullets will keep hitting him. He'll keep damaged. Like suppose if I hit an enemy, one bullet. So now see, I'll hit only one bullet. The damage is 29. So the 29 damage will increase up to 50 or 60. If I shoot one bullet, the enemy will be caused with 3-4 bullets, 5-6, like that. Even if I don't shoot him one bullet, the bullets will keep hitting him automatically. So if I shoot him one bullet, the bullets will keep ripping, and then they'll rip through the muscles and cause severe bleeding and severe damage. Right? Now coming to the next gun. So yeah guys, our next gun is plasma thermal boost. Okay, I'll remove one thermal boost. I do not need two of them. So thermal boost. Oh, I did not remove the second one, guys. Sorry. Yeah, so plasma thermal boost is, as you know, it is for gun plasma. So first guys, let me tell you what is a plasma. Plasma is an electric gun. It has unlimited ammo. But what happens with it is, if you shoot one bullet, you can see the increase. 3%, 4%, 5%. You can see over here, this part, guys. Guys, keep looking at this part, okay? Especially. Okay? See, the charge is increasing. 70, 80, 90 and 100. So as you can see here, now it is red in color. That means it's 100. And slowly it is decreasing here, right? That is because we are not using it. Okay, now this is the use of a plasma. Okay? Okay, that is the use of plasma. So it is basically a battery gun. That has, once you shoot and it becomes 100% charged, then you cannot use it. Again, you have to wait for it to come slowly reduce. So for plasma thermal boost, what happens? Now guys, you can see I shot only one bullet. It increased 2%. Okay? It is 2%. 2 bullets. 2, 4. So each bullet it is increasing by 2% only. But now this is 0, right? This doesn't have any plasma thermal boost. So see, one bullet, 3. Second bullet, 6. Third bullet, 2 more. So it is increasing by the table of 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, right? Again, 2, 3, 2. So it's increasing 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. But now guys, see, now I told you the advantage with the thermal boost. It increases only 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it increases only 2, so you can shoot more bullets to the enemy. But guys, there is one disadvantage with the thermal boost. Now guys, see this. I'll make it to 30%. You can see it is decreasing. After some time the charge will decrease. Look at that place. Look at this place, guys. See, it is decreasing. It is decreasing very quickly. It is decreasing 332, 332, 332. So it is decreasing in the same order. It's increasing. But this thermal boost, it is increasing by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? Let me take it till 20. But see how slowly it decreases. See, it is decreasing by 2, 2, 2. But the without thermal boost, it was decreasing by 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, that is the use. So that is the difference, guys. So with the thermal boost, it will get charged slowly, and in the same way it will get cools down also slowly. But without a thermal boost, it charges quickly and it cools down also quickly. So that is the I told you advantage and disadvantage of thermal boost also. Because there will be some people, if I tell plasma thermal boost, they'll take off again, they'll tell it is cooling down slowly. So I'm telling you both the things, with that and without that. Now the other thing is M60 spiral charger. Okay, so let me take one M60 gun. M60, yeah guys. So you can see the M60 gun. I'm taking spiral charger to 1 only. You can see the spiral charger. What does a spiral charger do? Spiral charger increases M60's damage and accuracy when firing continuously. Now see, if it increases the accuracy, it's shooting at one place only. So it works like somewhat like a muzzle also. See, muzzle might have become big till now, but because I'm using a spiral charger, the place is still. See the cursor, guys. It's decreasing and increasing. See this place. It's increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So that is the use of spiral charger. Without spiral charger, you see, it drastically increases and never decreases. It is not decreasing again. Even if I stop, only stopping, it's decreasing. And like this, it is increased and decreased again. So that is the use of a spiral charger. And let's check the other use also. Accuracy and damage. Guys, see this damage. 31, 31, 31, and headshot is 170. But without spiral charger, 31, 31, 31, 31, but and 170. So the damage is actually same, guys. Okay. So damage is not that different. So damage is not that quite different, but the accuracy is very much varying, right? So we have seen many guns and special attachments. Let me just see if I missed any other gun. I told you M60. Yeah, M14 Rage Code. Let's check M14, M14. Yeah. M14 with its Rage Core. So what does the Rage Core do? So M14 Rage Core enables the burst firing and increases fire. Guys, as you know, many of you might know that this M14, you can see, it shoots very slowly. One bullet it shoots. And reloading also very slowly. Now see how many bullets it's releasing. You can just see. But see in this case, see you can shoot only one bullet at a time. You have to play tap. If you long press, it won't happen. In this, if you long press, it will happen. So that is the difference. So this shoots more quickly actually with a Rage Core. And you don't need to play tap. You can only do long press. But for this, if you do long press, it will only shoot one bullet. See, this will shoot only one bullet. Again, you have to play one more time, then only it will shoot. So that is the difference, guys. Okay. So hope you understood all the weapon attachments. So just to give you a recap, I'll tell you again. M14 Rage Core increases the rate of fire and the number of, and you don't need to play tap. MP5 electrical booster increases the rate of fire drastically in MP5. Spiral charger increases the sometimes damage and accuracy while movement. Ripper bullet rips into the muscles and gives them cause severe bleeding and more damage. Armor piercer pierces into the armor and cause armor penetration and causes a lot of damage. Plasma thermal boost decreases the rate of charging quickly while shooting. Biometric scope on the Kar 98 Kar 98K biometric scope identifies the living organisms and helps Kar 98 on shooting better. Okay, so this is what we have all learned today. So hope guys you understood all the weapon attachments. If you have any doubts you can comment and ask me, and if you want any other things you can comment and ask me guys. The next video I am going to make related to tips and tricks will be all about your comments. So I will wait for 2 minutes to I'll wait for 1 day or 2 days and just check how many people want what type of videos, and on the comments only I'll make the next video. So guys, that's it for today. Tata, bye bye.